The unboxing experience is clean, premium, and well-considered, mirroring the charger's minimalist and lifestyle-oriented design. Inside the box, the charging station is securely housed and immediately makes a strong first impression thanks to its soft-touch, leather-like surface paired with a solid aluminum structure. Mukiya includes everything needed to get started properly: the 3-in-1 MagSafe charging stand, a 20-watt USB Type-C wall charger, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a clear user manual. This is an important detail, as many MagSafe chargers underdeliver by excluding a suitable power adapter. Here, Mukiya ensures optimal performance out of the box, reinforcing a sense of completeness and attention to user experience. Mukiya's design language is one of this product's strongest assets. Inspired by classic camera aesthetics, the charger blends retro character with modern minimalism. The leather-textured surface adds warmth and grip, while the aluminum frame provides rigidity and durability. Internally, the charger is equally well thought out. Mukiya uses premium thermal silica gel, an internal cooling pad, and an active heat dissipation design to keep temperatures impressively low during fast charging. In real-world use, the charger remains noticeably cooler than many competing MagSafe stands, which directly contributes to long-term battery health. The integrated breathing nightlight is subtle, tasteful, and functional. With multiple brightness levels, it clearly communicates charging status without introducing harsh blue light, making it ideal for bedside use.